Hello guys, this is Lee from Else Mark. Today we are going to be unboxing this new handheld console called Z Pocket Game. This is actually the second video we have done on the Z Pocket Game. The first one was only in Chinese. Well, the last video was only about the preview edition, and the new one, which is the one we are having today, the retail edition, is a real deal. So apart from not 3D printed, finer finishing shells, they actually have changed the screen to a glass panel in front instead of the plastic one last time. And the video is done mostly by my partner Sam, and he is the one in the video doing everything. I'm merely providing the narrative, as you know. So here it is. We are going to unbox it, and there are tons of accessories in it. The box, 2 actual different shell with different color, and well, you can see from the video. So let's fast forward to the actual testing. Next bit will show you how it looks after you turn it on. Well, after you see past the Xperia logo, you can see the whole OS is actually customized. You actually have the ability to overclock it to higher gigahertz for better performance, and well, it looks just beautiful. Well, like our name, Else Mark, everybody is testing something. We Else Mark are testing everything else. So today is going to be mostly about the screens and the headphone jack. On the screens, we are going to be testing how much your screen flickers under different kind of brightness. And the next time we're going to show you the color space. And this time we'll give you a rough data on how good is the headphone jack on the Z Pocket Game. Even molded from a 7-year-old Sony cell phone, the Z Pocket Game can still go toe-to-toe with the switch on the screen, and pretty much the headphone jack as well. And obviously, it is going to be light years ahead of those so-called handheld open source console when it comes to the screen and headphone jack. We will be reviewing the new handheld consoles like the Arcade 2020 in the very near future as well. So we'll explain why we say they are light years ahead then. So today we are mostly going to show you the screen, how much it flickers on the full brightness, on the 100 nit, which is your normal, indoor reading with your light on kind of brightness, and then the 15 nit, which is when you turn off your light, which obviously we don't recommend you to do, but sometimes you gotta turn off your light and play game because your wife might be asleep. Well, as you can see, the blue light on the screen is a bit high, but that's to be expected from all the LED backlighting LCD screens. As for the headphone jack, we won't be going into too much detail this time, but well, I can say it's not the best as today's standard, because all the other phones we are testing today is going to be slightly better, but it's if you are comparing this with other handheld console, then you can see a huge advantage when it comes to the headphone jack. Well, as niche as the Z Pocket Game is, the preview edition was only 800 RMB, which is slightly over $100 US, but on the local second-hand platform, you are going to pay about $300 for it. And the retail edition is only a bit less than $150, which is 1,099 RMB, excluding the TF card, of course. As beautiful, elegant, and ultra pocket friendly as the Z Pocket game is, we are only going to be recommending it to the hardcore handheld enthusiast. If you just want to, play some retro game, maybe the PS Vita is a better solution with its OLED screen, because OLED screen and the CRT are very much similar when it comes to the response time and how it lights out the color. It's not backlighting, it's self-lighting. I think the word is not right, but you get what I mean, right? So that's it. This is our first unboxing and mini review on the screen of the Z Pocket game. In the next video, we'll give you a detailed explanation on how the numbers are relative to your gaming experience and how much color space you get with the Z Pocket game, with some comparison to the newest handheld console. So we'll be doing a lot more reviews on the Else Mark, and this is Lee from Else Mark and the CEO of Venture Electronics. Please follow us if you are into what we are into. We care about screens and sound. So till next time, guys. Bye bye.